Okay, hello guys.
What's up?
What's up? How's it going?
It's me, John.
It's me, Yancy. So wait.
We're playing Growy Garden, and I'm gonna join him.
Yes. Wait a minute. I think I lost my consciousness. I forgot the lyrics. Okay, join.
So I'm gonna join him.
Click to skip.
There's been Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam. Wait, 10 hours? In 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay, guys, I have a giveaway.
Yeah,
For
we have
free.
another giveaway. It's this. Here. Let's check how much it is worth. How much is it worth? 713 billion. $713 billion. Wait, let me check it again. Billion. See? Told ya. Ooh, mythical egg, mythical egg.
Bruh, I got Caterpillar.
See, just comment your username and like the video and subscribe.
Yeah, for free stuff.
Yes, for free fruits, pets, and maybe soon we'll able to trade pets.
Yeah, for free.
I
It's a
mean not
giveaway.
because now it don't allow yet.
My friends are
And Lily of the
vacation.
Valley. And we're also doing, maybe soon we can trade seeds. We'll give you sugar apple seed. I'll reclaim this.
I will give
And
sunflower for free.
maybe Easter egg seed.
Yeah, for
Just
free.
subscribe, like the video,
And comment your username.
Yeah.
And we will play together, and we will give our seeds to you guys.
Yeah. Parasol flowers.
Bro, I got wild carrot.
Let's go to peach. Peach? I have peach.
But I got cantaloupe.
Peach.
She will reclaim his Easter egg for free.
Yeah.
She don't need it. Open your crate.
I can't. See? Crate cannot be opened. Limit of 275 cosmetics reached.
Okay,
So,
guys, please like and subscribe.
shout out to my fellow Filipinos.
And shout out Kupal.
And shout
He's my
out
classmate. Shout outs Mr. Carl.
aka Samboy.
AKA Keep 123 VN.
Shout out Liliana, who borrows my bike every time.
And shout out to Keep 1590, and shout out to Jandel and shout out to Brighter.
Shout out to DJ Jai and shout out to our parents. Okay, so wait.
Guys, we have a giveaway. I only have pets.
Pets. Who wants Mooncat? Like and subscribe and add us. This is
And I
our
will
name.
trade
This is our
this.
name.
I will trade this moon mango for free.
Yes. And this is our username, Sarzenchi. Sarah underscore Zenchi. Rip_gardens. Double Z.
Guys, this is a giveaway seed. For
See,
free.
pet gifting is disabled now. Please be patient.
And this
Patient
moon
while
cat
we
too.
work on ring.
And this
Bring
moon cat to age 32, guys.
And this
Okay, guys, giveaway.
giveaway. So
Maybe we can join all. Maybe we can join a public server, and we will tell them are they subscribe the video.
yeah, and then if they're subscribed,
I
we will give them pets. And
I will give.
like and subscribe for 10 Aussie eggs.
Okay, let's join a public server.
No, later.
Okay.
Oh, summer harvest.
No.
No, I'm not prepared. Hey, yo, chill.
We will get 50,000 in this.
Wait, I'll invite my friend. Shout out to Kupal.
And
AKA Red.
shout out to John, who is my classmates.
Yeah, shout out John. And shout out to our classmates. And shout out to our teacher.
Yeah.
Maxel, Paulinho, and more.
And shout out to my
fellow Filipinos.
Please subscribe.
And like the video.
Yeah. Please.
Max.
We were trying to be the best YouTuber one day.
Yeah, we are gonna do daily giveaways. And I don't know what else. And yeah.
Our friends are gone.
Yeah. Shout out to my friend Sam, aka my cousin.
Our cousin.
Yeah.
He's our best friend.
He is our best friend. And yeah. We'll finish this summer harvest and we'll end the video. Because we're gonna make another one.
Yeah, we will do go in the public server. We will tell them are you sub to YJ Vlogs.
Yes.
And Yancy will give a sunflower worth 700 billion shekels.
Yeah. Who wants it? Just like and subscribe. And comment your username down below. Max again.
I wish we are the best YouTuber one day.
I wish we can reach 2,000 subscribers.
Yeah.
Or 2,000 likes. Okay.
Please guys, like the video and subscribe for new pet.
Yes, and maybe if we get the new dinosaur pets, the good ones, we will give away. It's going to be awesome. And I'm gonna post a video about the update.
Yeah, we will play together.
Yeah. Yeah.
And our friend is here. Shout out to Mr. Carl.
Yeah. And maybe we'll give away a cooked out. Oh yeah, we already give we're about to give it away. We didn't pick a winner yet, but we will.
Just comment the username down below.
Yeah. You know, summer harvest is hard when it's only 2 people.
Yeah. I wish I will get a Easter egg. I will reclaim my egg.
Where's your bag?
I don't know. But I will find it. Bro, it's gone. Wala isang bomba.
Yes! Tawag ko, Sam. We'll end the video because we're gonna eat. Bye, guys!
Bye. Like and